Hello, folks. It is Tuesday. This week seems to be rolling through quickly like all the rest. Sonar Broadcasting brings you this view on Texas Street with our tower cam there, looking at a mostly clear sky, some high clouds along the horizon. Sun is already down this time of year with the time change and all that. So Leesville, likewise, we see a nice evening over in that direction. And coming up, how about a couple of fronts in the forecast? It's going to stay warm, but we have two fronts that may have something to say about it. One is weaker, one is stronger, and that forecast goes into next week. So we still have some certainly need some rain, and it's still coming. Be patient, and be and yeah, I've tried to be patient finding it. Thanksgiving forecast I'll have for you after the 7 day forecast. I'll look into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday's outlook for next week for your planning purposes. Looking at radar, still some cane burns around. The air still, things are still dry. So we can still have a wildfire. Be careful outdoor burning and that sort of thing. But no rain, it's just too stable for that. So let's check out the radar and satellite. This front won't make it here, but you see all this energy churning across the southwest into the southern Rockies there, and to the north, excuse me, to the north into Canada, we're still seeing clouds in that direction as well. So Futurecast, we'll step you through the next couple of days. Looking at Wednesday morning, yeah, I'm afraid there's still going to be some fog for your commute. By the time we go home, I don't see any issues at that time. This model bring in a few showers, but I don't really have anything mentioned. And then Thursday morning, looks like we've got a pretty good forecast there as well. Could be maybe a little fog there as well. The upper level features, this is all keying in on the forecast for the next 10 days. Right now we got a disturbance out west. We're in the warm bubble of air, okay? Yeah, we feel it. Put this into motion. We'll see what happens here as we go into Thursday, midday. All that energy makes a run at us, moves toward us, sets up across the southwestern states all the way into Canada there. And then as it scoots by, we'll see a moisture return. The weather pattern will change, and we'll finally get some rain in that forecast toward the end of this week. Okay, so that's round number one. But as we go into Saturday, we'll see more energy hanging back. Another piece of the system will be hanging back. In fact, this is kind of a newer one. And then it will make a move toward us as we head into the weekend. And that will keep kind of a little bit of an unsettled pattern going into the weekend and into the early part of next week, as this is Tuesday at midday. And then that piece of energy leaves, that little weather system gets out of here. But notice to the north, we find some deep cold air once again in Canada, which I think is going to make a move toward us. This is Thanksgiving week. This is Wednesday evening, Thanksgiving Eve, if you will. And so there will be some changes in the forecast that week also. So let me get into it. First of all, starting with the 7 day forecast here, as we usually do. AM fog possible Wednesday, very warm day, high of 84 degrees, some readings a little lower, some a little higher. 20% on Thursday, a mostly cloudy day, 81. Still warm Friday, despite a 70% chance of rain and thunderstorms. So rain finally really gets here on Friday. And then 30% Friday night. Then we go into Saturday, hit and miss showers in the forecast. The first front comes through Saturday, but it's not a strong one. We see a little bit of cooling in there Sunday morning in the high 50s, 30% chance of lingering showers, but it'll be a mostly overcast day there, kind of a gloomy Sunday for us. Not the best weekend, but we need the rain. And then going into Sunday night, rain chances begin to increase, and that increase will continue into Monday, kind of stabilize about 50-50 there. Tuesday with that second system I showed you was going to be coming through. So there'll be enough instability for some showers and thunderstorms that time frame. 50% rain chance there Monday night. So that's a pretty good shot. So we got two decent shots. This one in the Friday night time frame, Saturday, and then a little bit Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday got good rain chances certainly there. And temperatures coming down a little bit as we get this kind of pattern. Highs staying in the 70s those days. Now, drum roll, please. Here's your extended planner for Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. I think there'll be a front late Tuesday or Tuesday night, sometime during that time frame, and we'll hold the high temperature Wednesday in the upper 60s. Looks like a partly cloudy day right now. Don't have any rain in the forecast. We're in the 40s Thanksgiving morning. Only the low 60s for highs. Will be mostly cloudy, and I had to put in a 30% chance of rain as a second piece of energy, actually a third one. You didn't see it really on the map there, except far to the north. And some of that energy will kind of drop southward by Thanksgiving and bring us that rain chance. And then once that leaves, a little bit cooler air will come in to the forecast during that time frame after Thanksgiving, Friday morning, Shopping Friday, as I call it, in the 30s once again. So it's been a while since we've been that chilly, especially after this warm spell by next week, and only in the 50s for highs. Crisp all day Friday, but mostly sunny and no rain for your shopping expected right now. Hope that forecast holds up for you. I know you probably don't want rain on Thanksgiving, but it's only 30%. Got to keep myself covered. Okay. Well, it's a pleasure for us to forecast these kind of things for you, Nick and I. So Nick will be around in the morning, and I'll be doing another stream in the PM hours for